Dyma wybodaeth llawn ar gyfer eich wythnos dysgu o bell. Here is the full information regarding your distance learning week. Mi fydd yr wythnos dysgu o bell yn cychwyn ar yr ail o Dachwedd ac yn gorffen ar y 6ed o Dachwedd. The distance learning week will begin on the 2nd of November and end on the 6th of November. Mi fyddwch chi'n dychwelyd i'r ysgol ar ddydd Llun y 9ed o Dachwedd. You will return to school on Monday, the 9th of November. Byddwch yn dilyn eich amserlen arferol mwyn sicrhau trefn dyddiol. You will follow the usual school timetable to ensure a daily routine. Bydd y gwaith ar gael ar Google Classroom a bydd hyn yn gyfle i chi barhau gyda'r gwaith yn annibynnol. The work will be available on Google Classroom and this will ensure that you can continue with the work independently. Bydd y gwaith yn amrywiol, rhai tasgau yn gyflwyniadau, eraill yn glipio fideo a rhai sesiynau ffrydio byw. Work will be varied, some tasks as presentations, others video clips and some live streaming sessions. Bydd rhain wedi cael eu cefnogi gan atyfiadau a thaflenni gwaith ar Google Classroom. These will be supported by attachments and worksheets on Google Classroom. Mwyn eich cynorthwyo gyda Google Classroom, rydym wedi paratoi canllaw rhyngweithiol. To help you with Google Classroom, we have developed an interactive guide. Gellir ffeindio hwn drwy fynd I wefan Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. This can be found by going to the Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy school website. Yna, ewch I gwybodaeth am yr ysgol, then go to information about the school. Yna i'r adran dysgu o bell, then to the distance learning area, ac yna mi fydd bosib agor y canllaw rhyngweithiol. There you can open the full interactive guide. Cymorth. Bydd athrawon ar gael I helpu neu mwyn gofyn unrhyw gwestiwn drwy Google Classroom yn ystod cyfnod y wers ar eich amserlen. Ni fydd disgwyl I athrawon ateb tu allan I orio'r ysgol. Bydd athrawon pan ar gael yn fwy na pharod I ymateb I gwestiynau, helpu o fewn amser rhesymol yn ystod yr wythnos. Support and feedback. Teachers will be available to help or ask questions through Google Classroom during the lesson period on your normal timetable. Teachers will not be expected to answer outside of school hours. However, teachers when available will certainly be happy to respond and help with any questions you may have. Cwblhau gwaith. Nid oes rhaid cadw at amser gwersi o ran cwblhau'r gwaith. It is not essential to complete the work within the lesson time. Efallai bydd yn well gan rai ohonoch weithio yn ystod y dydd, eraill gyda'r nos, mwyn cynnal dysgu, cymhelliad ac eich lles unigol. Some of you may prefer to work during the day, others at night to maintain learning, motivation and your individual well-being. Efallai bydd mynediad at offer tegych yn amrywio yn ystod y dydd ac o gartref I gartref. Byddai'n well pe gellu dod I arfer a cyflawni'r gwaith gan ddilyn trefn. Bydd y gwaith yn parhau fod ar Google Classroom yn dilyn y wers. Access to ICT equipment may vary during the day and from home to home. It would be better if you could get a routine and complete your work within a reasonable time. Work will be available on Google Classroom following the lesson. Os bydd sesiynau ffrydio byw, bydd rhain ar gael drwy Microsoft Teams neu Google Meet. If you may have some live streaming sessions, these will be available through either Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. Cyfnodau boreol, morning period. Ar ddiwrnodau penodol, mi fydd 'na weithgaredd ymlaen am 9 o gloch y bore. On specific days, there will be activity at 9 AM. Fe fydd y rhain I gyd yn digwydd ar Google Meet. All these will happen on Google Meet. mwyn cael mynediad at y cyfarfodydd hyn, fe fydd angen cod. To gain access to these meetings, you will require a code. Dilynwch yr un camau ac o'r blaen, follow the same steps as before on the school website. Yma, mae'n olythyr ar gyfer bob blwyddyn. Here, you will find a letter for each year group. Ar waelod y llythyr, mi wnewch chi ddarganfod cod ar gyfer bob bora perthnasol. At the end of the letter, you will find codes for specific meetings on specific mornings depending on your year group. A dyna ni, cofiwch, mae yna wybodaeth ar gael ar sianel YouTube yr ysgol, ar wefan yr ysgol ac ar y cyfryngau cymdeithasol. And there we are. Remember, there's information available on the school's YouTube channel, on the school website and on the social media sites. Ac os ydych chi angen unrhyw gymorth pellach, cysylltwch â ni yn yr ysgol. And if you require any further information, please contact us in the school. Diolch am wrando. Thank you for listening.